Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Beetle, 1.8 four-cylinder turbo, 104,000 miles. Drives really good. Do a quick walk around video here of the body. Body's in really good shape. Hood chip has some normal rock chips and stuff on it. You can see down here. But overall, for a 14, she's really clean. Check out the interiors. Good condition, no tears in the cloth seats or anything. AC blows ice cold. She has 104,000 miles, 292. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicles, as well as any other foreign or domestics, give us a holler for our repair shop. We'll get you hooked up for all types of services. No job too big, too little. Give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.